Yo. We got a snowstorm. Oh, God. I ain't used to this. Oh, God. Woo. It's like, oh, God. I'm not used to the snow. Oh, shit. Yo. I'm not used to this snow. I gotta hurry and get my ass home. Okay, guys. Okay. Look at this. Y'all see this? Shit. God damn. Oh, God. I'm trying to... Oh, I gotta hurry and get home. Oh, my goodness. Oh, what's up, YouTube family? Okay, my hands are freezing. Oh, oh my God. Okay, let me hurry up because I'm not trying to be stuck at work. Oh my God. This is actually my first time driving in snow like this. Let me turn this goddamn. Hold up, y'all. Woo! Why I don't have on gloves? Chrissy, why you don't have on gloves? Just why? Why you don't have on gloves? Oh God, I better hurry and let me get home before I be stuck on the fucking road. So, I mean, I'm sorry to cuss y'all, but I'm not trying to be stuck on the road nowhere. Oh God, where is my heater? Oh, my hand is freezing, y'all. My hand is freezing. Oh my God. Ah! Where's the heater? Where's the heater when I need it? I'm sorry, y'all. I just removed ice. Well, snow. Why did I say ice? Snow. See, when you're cold, you really can't think. I just removed snow from my car with my hands because they didn't say that the storm was going to hit. I thought it was going to hit at least around 12. Oh my God. And I'm listening to coworkers coming in and say, oh, it's not snowing. Oh my God. Where's the heater? Yo, my hands feel like they burning. Oh. Oh, I am thankful to be able to leave. I feel sorry for some of my coworkers who do have to come in because you would definitely be snowed in. It is truly a snow blizzard. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. Just yesterday, it was like 30-something degrees. Sun was out. I went door dashing. Today, today, you see no one on the road. If you do see people on the road, it's people that's trying to go home. Trying to go home, or they're trying to come to work. This is my first time actually dealing with a snowstorm. I'm so used to dealing with hurricanes and stuff like that. But yeah, this is real. This is real. This is definitely real. And for anybody who's watching this video, man, let me tell you something. If you live up north or just in any of those states that snow, God bless you, man, because I'm not used to no snow. I am not used to this. I am driving super slow. When I tell you my car is covered in snow, not ice, okay? Oh my God, literally the roads. Oh my God, oh my God. People don't realize snow is just as scary. Woo! And I just feel like this heat is why I'm not getting on the interstate. I was gonna get on the interstate, but I think I'm gonna stay on ground in case there's any slippering up there. Yeah, guys, I just want to jump on here. You guys, y'all gotta see this. Wait a minute, can I turn the camera? It is snowing so bad, I don't know which lane I'm in. Literally, I don't know. I think I'm in the middle. Holy crap. Hold up, y'all. I can't even turn the freaking camera around. Wait, let me see. Okay. Can you guys... Y'all, I don't even... It's like 2 lanes. I can't even tell if I'm in the right lane. This is so scary. This is so scary. I can't even tell. I literally cannot tell. I feel like I'm in the middle lane. Thank God no cars are behind me. Oh my God, y'all. Now I'm in Alabama, okay? I'm in northern Alabama, okay? And you know, anything northern, no matter what state, I don't care if you're in Texas, anything northern, you have a high chance of seeing snow. But I think they put salt on the ground. But anyway, guys, I didn't want to be on here just rambling or anything. I didn't want to be on here just rambling. But it's a little scary driving in the snow. And God forbid you get stuck in the snow. It is no joke whatsoever. Woo. Oh, I could tell my head cold has went away. My face don't look all bloated anymore. But anyway, I just wanted to jump on here and just kind of talk with you guys, say hello. I didn't know that the snow was going to be this heavy. I thought it was going to start maybe around 10-ish. So I said, okay, I got time to go home. I'm so sorry for videotaping this in the dark. But you guys can see me, thankfully. But I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. I can't even see out my back window. It's like thick. I mean, they say we might get up to 4 inches of 4 inches of snow, and it's coming down. It is coming down, y'all. It is coming down. Oh my God. I don't want to drive too fast. Oh, goodness. It is coming down. I mean, literally everywhere you look, if there's a parked car, you can't even tell what type of car, what color car it is. You can't even tell. Jeez. Whew. All right, guys. Again, if you guys are in one of these northern states where it's snowing, you guys stay safe. If you don't have to be outside, don't be outside. Stay your butt input, okay? Because anything can happen where you can get stuck in the snow, and that's the worst thing, to be trapped in your car in the snow. Hypothermia ain't no joke, okay? All right, y'all. Let me focus on this road. Let me make it home safely, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace.